Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter R from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a vertical angled line down on the left side. Then from the top, let's curve it over to the right and back in, stopping here. Now from the end, let's step in and let's draw a curve underneath. Then a line down and close off the bottom with a curve. Now underneath on the right side, let's add 2 angled lines down. And then close off the bottom with another curve. And that's it for the basic shape of the letter R. Now let's move in and draw the face. Let's start by drawing the mouth. On the bottom here, let's draw a curve down and curve it up at the end. And now let's close off the mouth by drawing a large curve up and back down. Now inside on the bottom left, let's add another curve. Next, under the mouth, let's add another curve in the same way, overlapping the bottom like this. And then let's erase any of those overlapping lines inside. Next, above the mouth on the right, let's add an angled line here. And that's it for the mouth. Let's draw the eyeball next. Above the mouth on the left here, let's draw a curve. Then let's angle it up on the left. And then let's close it off with one more curve. Now inside, let's add a small black rectangle. And lastly, let's add 2 curves under the eye like this, and a bent line on the top left. And that's it for the letter R. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!